To stay relevant, manufacturers need to connect within their own organizations and with entirely new ways of thinking and operating. But that's tough to do when your data is siloed in different technologies and locations. We connect those dots for you with our custom data warehouse solution, DataCONNECT. It works alongside your ERP and combines data from Microsoft AX 2012, Microsoft Dynamics 365, enterprise and legacy systems to give manufacturers a clearer view of operations. DataCONNECT gives you access to KPIs and trended metrics across time that drive a deeper understanding of your business and unmatched near real-time reporting. Information that can be used by any department to streamline processes and boost ROI. If you're ready to connect with your organization, industry, and bottom line more effectively, get in touch with MCA Connect today.